Morning students. I am Dr. H. Chitra, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Bishop College, Trichy. In this, we have to see robotics and its application. In this subject, we take 5th unit, aerial robots. The content of this unit: aerial robots overview, pollution avoidance in aerial robots, application of aerial robots, industrial robots and their applications, artificial intelligence in aerial robots, practical examples of aerial robots in action. Aerial robots overview. The definition of aerial robots are autonomous flying robots, that is, drone. It is used for various tasks like surveillance, monitoring, and exploration. They are equipped with sensors and AI systems that allow them to navigate and interact with their environment without human intervention. In this diagram, we saw a aerial robots diagram. Next, we have to see types of aerial robots. First one, fixed wing aerial robots. It is used for long range tasks. The diagram shows the fixed wing aerial robots. Next, we have to see multi-rotor aerial robots, more common in agricultural surveillance and small area mapping tasks. These are the diagram of multi-rotor. Next, we have to see hybrid aerial robots. It is used for combine the advantages of both fixed wing and multi-rotor drone for versatile operations. These are the diagrams shown in the hybrid aerial robot. Next, we have to see pollution avoidance in aerial robots. The definition of pollution avoidance is essential in ensuring the safety and effectiveness of aerial robots. These robots must navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and complete tasks without causing damage or being damaged. There are various techniques available in pollution avoidance. These are vision-based systems, light detection and ranging system, ultrasonic sensor system, AI and machine learning system. The techniques for pollution avoidance are vision-based systems, cameras and computer vision algorithm, that is example of stereo vision optical flow to detect object in the environment and avoid pollutions. Next, we have to see light detection and ranging. In this method, 3D mapping of environment helping the robot detect and avoid obstacles. The third one is ultrasonic sensor method. It is used for proximity detection in indoor or short range navigation. Next, we have to see AI and machine learning techniques. Algorithms such as reinforcement learning and adapt their surroundings and learn optimal mark path algorithm and collision avoidance. There are many applications are available in AI robots. These are agriculture, mining and exploration, underwater and civilian applications, military applications, nuclear applications, and space applications. We have to see first one, agriculture. Precision farming. Aerial robots help monitor crop health, soil quality, and environmental conditions. They can carry out tasks like spraying pesticides, planting seeds, and monitoring irrigation. Weed control. Autonomous drone can detect and target weeds for spraying, reducing the use of herbicides. Crop monitoring. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras can monitor plant health, detect disease, and optimal health timing. Next, we have to see mining and exploration. Mining surveying. Aerial robots can fly over and survey dangerous mining sites. They can map terrains and assist with resource deduction. Inspection of equipment. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can monitor mining machinery for wear and tear. Exploration. Aerial robots used for geological surveys in remote or hazardous areas, detecting mineral deposits and exploring potential mining sites. The third one applications are underwater and civilian applications. Underwater drones, AUV, aerial robots in this context are used for underwater exploration, surveying ocean floor and inspecting underwater pipelines. These can be remote controlled or autonomous. Urban planning and infrastructure. Aerial robots can inspect buildings, bridges and other structures for damage or wear, including hard to reach areas. Disaster response. Drones can quickly survey disaster zone, that is earthquake, flood, to access damage and guide rescue team. To assess the guide rescue team. Next, fourth applications are military applications, surveillance and reconnaissance. Military forces use aerial robots for surveillance missions, collecting intelligence and monitoring borders. Compact missions. Armed drones are used in targeted strikes, surveillance and reconnaissance in compact zones, minimizing human risk. Search and rescue. Aerial robots are employed in hazardous environment to locate and assist soldiers or civilians in distress. Fifth one, nuclear applications. Radiation monitoring. Aerial robots can be deployed in hazardous radiation zones, example, nuclear plants or accident sites, to monitor radiation levels without putting humans at risk. Facility inspections. They can inspect nuclear facilities for structural integrity, leaks or damage without human export to dangerous environments. Last applications are space applications. Planetary exploration. Aerial robots are critical in exploring planetary surfaces like Mars. They collect data, take images and analyze terrain, assisting missions like NASA Mars Exploring Program. Satellite maintenance. Drones are used to inspect and maintain satellite in orbit, including cleaning or repairing solar panels or components. Astrobiology. Aerial robots can collect samples and data in space environment to search for signs of life or analyze soil or air components of the plant. Next, we have to see industrial robots and their applications. Material handling. Robot including aerial types used in warehouses to automatic material handling, inventory management and delivery system. Drone can transport items to different parts of facility or warehouse without human intervention. Next, we have to see assembly operations. Robotics arm or drones are integrated into assembly lines to perform precise assembly tasks like screwing, fitting, or quality check. Third one is welding operations. Continuous arc welding. Welding tools perform continuous arc welding in manufacturing for high precision work. Next, we have to see spot welding, positioning themselves to join metal parts, especially in automotive and aerospace industry. Next, we have to see spray painting. It is used in automotive and appliance manufacturing to apply consistent, high quality finishes. Next, we have to see cleaning. It performs automated cleaning tasks in both environmental and commercial environmental in this area. Next, we have to see artificial intelligence in aerial robots. Artificial intelligence driven decision making. AI is key to make aerial robots autonomous. AI algorithms enables robots to make real-time decision based on sensor data, such as determining the best route to avoid obstacles or deciding when where to take samples in exploring missions. Next, we have to see path planning and optimization in artificial intelligence technique. Algorithms like simultaneous localization and mapping or A algorithm help aerial robots efficiently navigate unknown or dynamic environments while avoiding collisions. Swarm robotics. AI allow multiple drones to work together, sharing data and coordinating their actions to complete complex functions. Next, we have to see practical examples of aerial robots in action. Amazon's delivery drones. In this area, we have to use for delivery of goods, reducing delivery time and cost in urban areas. Next, we have to see DJI drones. It is widely used in agriculture for crop spraying, real estate photography, and mapping. Next, we have to see NASA Perseverance rover and Ingenuity drone, the first powered flight on Mars, demonstrating the use of aerial robots for planetary exploration. Thank you.